want to show you how to go to a new page in Flutter. So I have the documentation put up, and I'll give you this link. So first, let's click Start a New Flutter project, and we'll just click Flutter Application. And I'll change, well, no, I'll leave the location. I'll just do Flutter New Page. Okay, and Flutter app, new page. I don't know. I'm trying to make it different. Um, New page. So I'll use Android X, Kotlin, and Swift. So click Finish. All right, so it's real easy in Flutter. So we'll wait for it to load up a little bit. I'll just open the iOS simulator to get it up. Dang, it might take a while to build. I'll go ahead and build this, but I'll show you how to. Basically, we need to make a new page. Basically, all we need is this code right here. So I'll go ahead and copy this code right now. All right, so this is what you get by default um, for the Flutter app. So we're just gonna change the way this, by default it counts, but we're gonna change that. So instead of increment counter, we're gonna just make a new function called go to new screen or something. So um, so then it's just that code I pasted, which we won't have right now. So we'll call it second page. Well, we need to create that second page first before it works. So it'll give us an error right now because we don't have it. But right click on lib, go to new, and click Dart file, and then just name it what we named it right here. So just second page. And then we're just gonna import material for now. And then start typing STF, and then you'll see stateful widget right here. So we'll just press enter so it can complete it for us. So it gives us this. So don't press anything yet. So we're gonna write or type second page. See, it fills it in for us right here as well as right here, right here, and right here. So yeah, now we'll just press escape and then save it. So still give us an error here because we need to import it. So just Alt enter if you're on Windows, or Option enter if you're on Mac. So click right here and do Option enter. So it'll say import library second page. You just press enter, and you'll see the imported second page. Or you could just write this up here. It's the same thing. We actually need to change the function. So this is the floating action button, which is right here. So we're just going to change the functionality. So we're just going to take out on press, then write our new function, go to new screen. So now when we run it, it'll go to a new screen, which is blank. So I'll just show you. It did work, but container is This is default what container is. I believe it's a black screen by default, but we'll do scaffold, and then we'll type app bar right in here, and then capital A, type app bar, and then this takes a widget, so we'll do title, and then we'll just do a text. So we'll say second screen, and I believe that's all we need. So this is your second screen. So we'll just go back just to show you again. You see, it's just a blank. We don't have a body yet, but it also gives us a back button, and it works on Android as well, of course. So I'll just go ahead and pull Android up, and I'll change the device to Android right here, and I'll run it. All right, so Android is running now. So it'll look exactly the same, actually. So just to show you, oh, it's still building. So now it's working. Okay, see. So that's how you show a new screen on Flutter. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.